Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Sales Lead Process. So in this video we are going to see lead capturing, sales application overview, task and activities, converting the lead into account, contact and opportunity, then followed by lead assignment. So the lead is coming into our org to whom it is getting assigned and lead auto response. So the customer who is filling the form and submitting the data, so he is getting a acknowledge mail or message. That thing we are going to see. Lead capturing. Lead capturing in Salesforce is like collecting contact information from people who shows interest in our product or services. When someone fills out a form on our website like name, email or phone number, Salesforce captures this information as a lead. So this type of information when it is coming from any web page, web portal, then it is treating as a information as a lead. So sometimes salespeople might meet potential customers at events or through calls, and they can manually enter the details of the lead into Salesforce. So if that information is coming from website or web portal or different social media platform and getting into our Salesforce organization, then that is called like web information. Or if someone is attending any seminars, meetings, events, and from there they get to know that this person is searching for this product. So manually they are going to enter these details into their Salesforce organization. Then this information is also going to be a lead for that particular company. Salesforce can be connected to social media or marketing tools that automatically send leads to our application. So, if our organization is getting connected with social media platform or different web portals, from there also we can collect the information as a lead into our Salesforce org. So, let's see how we are going to collect the information. So, to log in into our Salesforce organization, in the URL we have to type login.salesforce.com. Then we have to provide our username followed by password. Hit the login button. We are going to redirect in our Lightning Experience page. So at the real time when we are working in an organization or an employee is working for a company, then they are going to redirect with their application. They are not going to redirect with this setup, but they are going to by default landed on their application page. So here to be on our application, we have to search here in the app launcher our application. So in this case I am going with sales application. Click on sales. So this sales application is looking like this. So it is having a logo, company logo, then the application name, then home tab, followed by the basic terms of sales, that is campaign, lead, account, contact, opportunity, reports, dashboard, and so many. So campaign is for doing the campaigns, seminars, events, that is all part of campaign. They are doing the campaigns to engaging their customers or to build a new customers, launch their products, get the people know with their products. So for that we are doing the campaigns. Then leads. So lead is the object from where we get to know that how many potential customers are there, how many customers are there, they are inquiring for our products, our services. So Salesforce is giving a standard functionality of web to lead. So after generating this form, web to lead, we are supposed to see this kind of form. This form we can put it on any platform or any website at any page where we are thinking that from this particular page people are doing inquiry, they are filling the information and submitting the form. Then that information is getting into our Salesforce org in lead object. So let's see the example of this. So web to lead is holding a number of fields, but in that fields I am taking only these common fields. So first name, last name, email, company, city, state, and all the information when client is putting and hitting the submit button, then that data is getting captured from the website and it is going to send into our Salesforce organization. So here I am providing a demo information like first name Ellen, last name Flynn, providing a email address, then company Wipro, city Gurugram and state Haryana. This information, if suppose we are filling for a particular website and hitting the submit button, then this data is going to be captured into the lead object for that particular company. So let's click on lead and seeing for today's lead. So as soon as we had filled that form and clicked on submit button, this lead is getting captured by this organization and this is shown into lead object. So click on this lead, click on details. Lead is Alan Flynn, company is Wipro, and email is this email. If I am seeing the detailed information of this lead, that is lead owner, lead assignment, here one name is not coming as I had created a queue and in that queue there are so many users are there. So as per the criteria they are getting assigned the lead. So name is Alan Flynn, company Wipro. What the information we had provided from there we are seeing here. So address Gurugram, Haryana, and the email ID what we had put over there. So this is the information we are getting. So this is all about lead capturing. Then next we are seeing sales application overview. So the sales application in Salesforce is a tool designed to help businesses manage their sales process more efficiently. So any application is going to run for their business and that application is supposed to work according to their business process. It offers features to track and manage leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, and deals from start to finish. So, sales application is going to take care of these all things. Salesforce sales application helps sales teams streamline their process, allowing for better follow ups, stronger customer relationships, and more closed deals. So this application is all about working on customers or potential customers. So let's see the sales application. So any application is having the logo, the application name, then the home tab or landing tab where by default a user is getting logged in and where he have to display all the information about that application. Then this sales application is going to work on basically campaign, lead, account, contact, opportunities. These are the basic objects on which this sales application is operating. So for reporting, there is a report object. To view the information in pictorial form, that is we can see from a dashboard, task, files, chatters, groups, and some more objects in the more drop down. So here we are seeing all the closed deals, plan my account, grow relationship. So these are the basic terms of sales application. Build pipeline, my goals, today's event, what the employee should have to do for that day, today's task, how many tasks is there, what the follow-ups he need to do, recent records on which he had worked, then sales blazer. So again coming back to our PPT. So now we are going to see what are the tasks and activities in Salesforce. So tasks and activities in Salesforce are tools that help track and manage interactions with customers, ensuring nothing falls through the crack in the sales process. So here all is about if an employee is working for a particular customer, so anyhow that lead should be cracked. They provide a way for users to log communications, set reminders for follow-ups and monitor engagement with lead, account, contact and opportunities. So logging a call, sending a mail, receiving the mail, taking the follow-ups properly, getting reminder of that particular potential customer. So that all the things are going to be done by these activities only. And task, Salesforce track all interactions like calls, emails, meetings with lead, account and contacts to help the sales team stay organized and up to date. So any information if they are not missing, crack the deal easily. Tasks and activities help users stay organized by managing their day-to-day work and ensuring they don't forget important customer interactions. So when the employee is getting reminder for and the task what he have to do for the day, and if any point of time he is missing for a particular customer or client and getting again reminder, so that deal is not going to be missed. So let's see the activities. So when this lead is received into our Salesforce org, then this is the activity. If we need the detail of this lead, we can click here, and at the left side we are seeing activity. So in the activity there is new task. What the new task is going to be happen for the future, log a call, new event and mail. This all the task or activities record is going to be captured and it is going to store here itself. Whenever we are going to view this record, then we are getting this whole information up to now what we had discussed for this particular customer and for the future what we have to do. So in this activity part we are seeing that email lead auto response. So one mail has been sent to the customer who had filled the form. So let's see how. So as I had put my email in the email section, so I will supposed to get a mail. So let's log in to my Gmail account. So see, I had received two mails for this particular lead. So one is lead auto response. Click on this. Dear Ellen, we have received your message and will be in touch. Thank you for contacting us. Best regards, lead assignment. So this will be the owner name of that particular lead, and here the customer name would be. So as the customer has filled the form from the website and hit the submit button, he is getting this information. So again coming back to our record. So in the activity part we are seeing that we had from Salesforce this guy has got the mail. So if I am going to create a new task, so I have to click on new task. Subject I have to fill here. So I am choosing send quote. So I supposed to send a quotation. Due date I am thinking about the future date. So on tomorrow's I am going to send the quotation to this customer and click save. So for tomorrow's I had created a new task that I have to send a quotation for this to this customer. So again if I need to log a call, I need to click here, log a call, subject is call. So log a call. So here I am providing the subject call. In the comments I am writing discussion required, suggest a time so that I could make a call. Sending to this customer and clicking on save button. So what it is showing, I have to make a call to this customer and I had asked for his convenient time. For his convenient time. So next if I want to create a event, I have to click on new event. In the subject I am putting meeting and this meeting start date will be tomorrow's at time 1 p.m. and it is going to end within a hour. So date is same and time is 2 p.m. So if I am saving this, so upcoming and overdue, there is a meeting tomorrow. So this is an event for tomorrow and it is showing that 1 p.m. sharp there is a meeting. So if I want to send a email, so I need to click on email. So in this mail, I am putting the subject agreement. Dear Ellen, this letter represents the formal agreement between your company name and our company name. This agreement recognizes that your name is to provide professional expertise on behalf of your company name throughout the project with here recipient name will be there. So it is going to capture the information automatically. Thank you recipient's company name. So automatically it is getting submitted, and this data is going to be captured automatically. So after sending this mail, this data is getting captured automatically. So I am sending this, click send. So also in today's task, lead auto response means customer got a mail when he had submitted that particular form for the inquiry of product or service. So next we had seen a call, then we had sent the agreement, then we had created a new task, and also we had seen a new event. So like this, we are capturing all the details for a particular record. So if any point of time we need all the information for this lead, so simply we have to click on that particular lead and we have to click the activity. So we are able to see all the details for this lead. So again coming back to our PPT, next we are going to see converting the lead into account, contact and opportunity. Converting a lead into an account, contact and opportunity in Salesforce means you are officially recognizing a potential customer, organizing their information and setting the stage for a potential sales. It streamlines the sales process and help our team manage relationships more effectively. So when we are converting the lead means it is supposed to be a prospect for our business. So let's see how we are doing. So let's see from the scratch. So if we are at home page and we need to convert a particular lead, then we have to click the lead, search for the potential lead. So suppose this Ellen Flynn is a potential lead. So if all we need the detail of this particular lead, we need to click on detail. We will get all the information for this lead. So as this lead status is open, not contacted, so when we are working for this lead, we have to make the lead status as working contacted. So we can make it from two places. Either we have to modify this drop down, or simply here we need to click and mark as current status. So see, lead status has been changed, working contacted. So we have to do all the activities on this particular lead. Then finally for a lead, that will be either it is converted or it is closed not converted. So closed not converted means it is not converted into our business account, or we are not going to work with this company or for this customer. And if it is converted, then we are going to work with this particular company or client. So click on converted, select converted status. So we are getting this view: convert lead, create new. So account name was Wipro. So we are getting automatically this information. Then contact, create new. So Alan Flynn is the contact person name. So in the opportunity, it is going to create the company name. So for now we are discussing on this part only. In the second part also we are seeing choose existing account, contact or opportunity. We are not going to see right now this. One more thing is here: if we do not want to create an opportunity for this record, we need to check this checkbox. If we are not checking this box, so it is going to create a opportunity also for this record. So in this case I am not going to check this checkbox. I want to create the opportunity for this record as well. So simply I have to click on convert. So your lead has been converted into account is Wipro, contact is Alan Flynn, and opportunity is company name. And one short of information we are seeing, like type, phone, website, account owner and account site. In the contact, title, account name, phone, email and mobile. And in the opportunity, account name, close date, amount and opportunity owner. So click on go to leads. As soon as we are hitting the convert button, that lead is going to be converted into account, contact or opportunity. After getting converted, we can't see that lead into lead object. As this lead is converted, so it can't be visible in lead object. So let's see, in account there is a company name, there is a Wipro record is created. So as the account name or company name, this record is created. So click on details. See, all the information relevant to company is captured over here. And if I am clicking on related, then related contact is also getting displayed here. Also we are getting the opportunity related to this account or this company. So opportunity is also available here. At the right side we are seeing all the activities done in our lead stage. So we had sended a email, then call, then agreement, then send quotation, meeting. All the activities we can get from here, from the activity tab. So if all we need the information of contact, we need to click on this particular contact name, click on details. So this part is holding all the details of this contact person. So name, in which company, email and all the mandatory details are here. So again, if I am clicking on related, I am able to see the opportunity for this account and contact. So click on this opportunity, and again we are seeing all the activities what we were seeing in the lead object, that all the things are seen here also. And if I need to see the details, click on details. So all the related details are coming over here for this company. Also from here we have to close this deal. Either it is going to be closed won or closed lost. So for this all the follow-ups is required, meeting, events, task is required. So all the things are going to be created from here. So if it is again required new task or mail or event or log a call, we are going to click relevant to that particular activity and can create. So again coming back to our PPT, so lead assignment. When new lead comes into organization, it's important to get them to the right salesperson quickly. We don't want leads to sit idle or be forgotten. So as soon as we are getting the lead, we have to assign that lead to a particular employee or particular user, so that he is going to observe that lead and make it to be a customer of this organization. Lead assignment rules make sure every new lead is assigned to the most appropriate sales representative based on certain criteria like location, product interest, or business size. So, in any organization, we are getting different types of lead. That lead is going to be from different location, from different product interest, from different industry, and so many things are there. Our organization, who is the expert person for that particular lead, that lead should be assigned to that person only, so he can easily crack the deal. Imagine there is a software company and people fill out forms on their website to learn more about their software. So if someone is filling the form from the website and submitting that form, that is a potential lead, and that is going to be into our Salesforce organization as a lead. So if this is the scenario, we can set up Salesforce to automatically send leads from New York to the New York sales team and leads from California to the California sales team. This way, the right person follows up with the lead, making the process faster and more effective. So, if one lead I am getting from New York, then the New York sales team I am going to assign. And if it is from California, then I am assigning this lead to California sales team. So here the process is getting easy. So in case if there is a requirement of person to person meeting, so it is easy to connect both the customer as well as sales representative. So let's see in our org. So we had already seen that as soon as Ellen submitted the form from any website portal, that lead is getting captured into Salesforce organization, and by submitting itself he is getting a mail like, so as soon as the customer or client is filling the details and hitting the submit button, This data is getting captured by Salesforce in lead object, and by the automation this lead is going to assign to a user who is expert with that criteria. So we so the lead owner got the mail like, hi, lead assignment, this is one person name, there is one new lead in your bucket, thank you, like this mail he is getting. So he is getting notified that he has to work on this particular lead. So next we are going to see lead auto response. Lead auto response in Salesforce is a feature that automatically sends an email to a person who submits their information on our website or through other channels. So when the customer is filling the form and submitting that form, then immediately he is getting responded by our organization that someone is going to take care with that particular lead. This type of message, automatic message he is getting, it's a way to acknowledge their interest and let them know that we received their request. So it is a type of acknowledgement that we had received your request and we are working, soon we are going to connect with you. Imagine someone visits our website and fills out a form asking for a demo of our product. As soon as they hit submit button, they automatically receive an email saying something like this: thank you for your interest in our product. We have received your request for a demo and one of our team members will be in touch with you shortly. So this auto response email reassures the lead and keeps them engaged with our company, making them feel valued even before a salesperson reaches out. So this is a kind of engagement with that lead or potential customer. So let's see in the Salesforce org how we are sending the automatic message or mail to that customer. So as soon as the customer is filling the form and hitting the submit button, he is getting lead auto response, a mail, dear Alan, we have received your message and will be in touch. Thank you for connecting us. Best regard, and lead owner's name. So like this we are working with lead process, how the lead is getting into our org, how immediately we are sending the response. Lead is assigned to someone, he is going to work for that particular lead and he will be the responsible for person for that particular lead. So all the things are getting covered into the lead process. Thank you.